So here we've got a Honda Civic in for an HID system. It's got the halogen headlights. We're going to do it before and after. There's the front end view. We're going to be leaving the factory fog lights as they are. Just doing the HID system. It's going to be a plug and play system. You can find this on our website. We'll leave a link below. But the projector should fare pretty well with the HID system. We've done it before, and you're going to get great results. And there's the front end view, factory halogen headlights. And then we're going to take a quick reading on the Hylux at 25 feet. So we're hitting about 250-ish. Let's see. Passenger side is actually a little bit better. So about 280 on the passenger side. So the HID system is warming up now. It'll look a little bit blue when you first start it up. In a minute, I'll show you it's gonna become a neutral white. This is the 5K Morimoto bulbs. And you can install this yourself. The ballasts are just tucked away there, zip tied nicely. Same thing over here, everything's accessible from the engine bay. So now that it's pretty much fully warmed up after about 10 seconds or so, you can see it matches the daytime running light really, really well. And it gives you a modern day look without looking too aftermarket. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. We've got the Morimoto H11B 5K bulbs and the Hylux ballast. It's all plug and play. So you can see there's no blue in the output. It's a neutral white color. A lot more filled in now that the HID's been installed. So you got nice intense hot spots. A little extra light above the cutoff by where the squirrel finder is, but that's completely normal. It's not going to be distracting. There's no extra glare. If you remember before, we hit about 250 lux, one side, 280 on the other. And that's with the halogen. And we'll take a look at what we're seeing right now. Still got that nice color flicker. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, easily twice as bright here. Yeah, both sides really solid. So I double your light output. You can install these yourself in about 30 minutes. And let's face it, it looks really good. So let us know if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll be happy to discuss your options with you. Thanks again and subscribe.